Hi everyone, Blessed Be. I wanted to show you today how to create a protection jar. You can keep this in your house, you can make a mini one to carry with you. You could also do this in a pouch. You don't have to do it in a jar. I've just chosen a jar for this little tutorial. So you'll need black pepper, black salt, rosemary, sage and an obsidian crystal. Black pepper and black salt and rosemary and sage are all protective herbs, and obsidian crystal, which is a black crystal, is useful for absorbing negative energies. You can use any black crystal that you have. You could even use a smoky quartz. There are alternatives. So what you need to do is cleanse your jar and obviously cleanse your ingredients. And what you need to do is add all the ingredients to the jar while saying, I am safe, I am protected. So say, I am safe, I am protected as you add each ingredient, or you can just think that in your head. You don't have to say it out loud. And you want to place all your objects in your container. It can be any size, and like I said, it can be a pouch, or you could sew like a little pocket and put them in or something like that. You don't have to use a jar. And what you need to do is, once all the ingredients are inside, just hold on to the jar for a bit and just think about what you've just been saying about how you're safe, you're protected. Focus on that feeling of being protected and feeling safe. So picture in your mind a time when you felt truly safe and protected. Then you need to seal the jar with either a cork or a lid, however you're going to seal your jar. And then say, I'm protected, so mote it be 3 times, and your jar is ready to use. Like I said, you can carry this around with you. You might find it easier to put it in like a little organza pouch to put in a pocket in your bag or to keep in your pocket. You can have it in witch balls by your window. You can have it little pouches around the house. You can keep them in certain areas where you don't feel as like protected. So maybe of a night time, you feel a bit nervous of a night time when it's time to go to bed. Maybe you could keep one in your bedroom for that. You can place it anywhere you like. I've got some in like witch balls that are hanging in the windows, and then just refresh it as you feel it needs. Maybe about once a month. And that's it. That's how to make a protection jar. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Blessed be, and bye for now.